Kia ora everyone. I'd like to start this video off with a quick recap about the Reremahi Whiti sentence structure. Here you can see that the sentence starts with a tense marker, which indicates the tense of the sentence. In this video, we're only dealing with the present tense marker, kate, to indicate that the action is happening in the present tense. The tense marker is then followed by the action word or the verb. In this sentence, the action word is part of a Reremahi Whiti, so it's called a tūmahi whiti. The tūmahi whiti in this sentence is hanga, which means to build. The tūmahi is then followed by the kaimahi, which, as you will recall, is the person, animal or thing that is doing the action. In this case, it's te tāne, which means the man. The second part of the sentence includes the object of the sentence. This is the thing or person, etc., that the action is being done to. So we've got the action word to build. We know it's the man that's doing the action. And the thing that the action is being done to is te whare, the house. The joining word between the two parts of the sentence is called a pūhono. In Reremahi Whiti, the pūhono is I. So the sentence translates to, the man is building the house. Okay, so now we've recapped the Reremahi Whiti structure, we can start working on negating it, writing the negative form of the sentence to say when something is not happening. So the affirmative sentence is kei te hanga te tāne I te whare. The man is building the house. If we want to negate this sentence, we need to start with our negation word, kaore. And there it is. Then the next step, just like we did with the Reremahi poro, is to bring the kaimahi forward in the sentence and pop it there. Kaore te tāne. This is then followed by the negation partner of kate, which is ite. That's the negative tohuwa. The tūmahi then moves to the end of this part of the sentence. So the tūmahi is hanga. So we have kaore te tāne I te hanga, the man is not building. The last thing we need to do is add the pūhono, which is I, and the taunga, the object of the sentence, which is te whare. So the object of the sentence, again, is the thing that the action is happening to. This part of the Reremahi Whiti stays at the end of the sentence. So there we have it. Kei te hanga te tāne I te whare becomes kaore te tāne I te hanga I te whare. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions or comments, please add them into the comment section and I'll do my best to get back to you. Kia ora.